Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide Instagram story from someone or all followers. So if you want to hide your Instagram story from someone or from everybody in your followers list, what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now you have to tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. And after tapping on settings and privacy, now you have to scroll a bit down, and inside who can see your contacts you can find hide story and live. You just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you have to tap on hide story and live from. And now what you have to do is you have to select those friends whom you would like to hide the story from. And after selecting those friends, now what will happen is if you will post a story on your account, the guys you have selected will not receive the story which you have posted on your Instagram. So this is how to hide Instagram story from someone or followers. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.